Dear learners of primary 3, here comes our 16th lesson of reading. And today's lesson we are going to talk about sound. You know that sound from P1, you have been talking about that sound. But now, remember in P1, they used to tell you that only one sound. But now in P3, we are going to have it. Letter S is going to have, it is going to have two sounds. It is going to have two sounds. It has and it has z. All together. Letter S has two sounds. And then you're going to see them. You're going to see some words with and with all together. Yeah, so they did not confuse you in P1 because you were still young. But in P3 you should differentiate that letter S has two sounds. Letter S has two sounds. We have those words with sound and even those words still with letter S but sounding Z. Let us see some examples here. So here the same, it has two sounds and so here examples of words with letter S sounding. We have examples here. Sai-so, sai-so. Are you hearing the sound of this S? It is sai-so. Let us see the word sister. The word sister. I think all these S are sounding sister, sister. I say snake. This S is sounding snake, snake. I get it? You should differentiate. I'm on letter S sounding. We shall go to letter S sounding all together. So I had stopped on snake, snake. We have this one here. Cat, cat, cat. Are we together? That is good. We have even this one here. Sit. Are you observing my letter S? All of these words with the letter S are sounding. I have not touched those ones sounding out together. That is good. So we have sit, sit. We have this one here. Stand, stand, stand. Are you hearing that letter S sounding? That is good. We have this one here. Sun, sun, sun. That's also light, yes? Then even the other one, sun, sun like me. If I produce a baby and is a baby boy, becomes my son. Is here. Also is having that little sound S sounding sun, sun. Even this one here is still having that sound sun. That's also light. Are we together? Then we have even this one. Star, star, star. Are we together? It is still bringing out letter S sounding and very many others. They are very many. They are very uncountable. You know them. There are very many. Sun, bless, I sing, erase, erase, I sing. It's always having this O's. Let me put it aside. You'll identify for me. Let me write it aside here. After my lesson, you'll identify for me this word here, erase. Is it having S sounding S or S sounding Z? I have put it aside there. Let me hope I won't forget. Now, let us go to those words having letter S but sounding as if it is this one here, as if it is this letter. Because this letter for it sounds also the same as this one here. Are we together? That is good. Let us see this word here. Pay attention. Let us see this word here. We have busy, busy, busy. Is it sounding s or sounding z? It is sounding z. It is sounding this one here. Busy, busy. But these ones have been with so, sister. Are we together? Remember, it is letter S, but for it, it is sounding like this one here. That's why I told you letter S has two sounds. You can sound it in some words with it and others with it. Are we together? That is good. So we have busy. We have even this one here. Observe that letter S. How am I going to pronounce it? Is it going to be S or Z? We have boys. Boys. Are you hearing that Z somewhere? That is very good. So we have boys. Boys. Busy. Busy. What about this one here? It is girls. Girls. Those are girls. I say, you don't say those are girls. Does it bring it? Girls. No, it is girls. Girls. So it is sounding as z, not it. We have this one here. The one is stems. Stems. Stems is having now all of the two sounds which I have been looking for. Stems. The first letter S is sounding S, but the last letter S, for it is sounding Z. Stems. 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 Are you hearing the two sounds now? That is good. Then we have here jerrycans. Jerrycans. This last S here, this letter S, it is sounding Z. Not it. Are we together, children? Have I confused you? No, you are mature. You can now identify letter S, which sounds S. I sing those words with letter S sounding S, and those words still with letter S, which sound Z. Are we there? Now, remember I've given you an assignment that before I end my lesson, you should identify for me this word here. The word is always. Always. Which sound is that one? Is it S with S or S with Z? Which one? Always. Always. Yeah, very good. It is having our letter S sounding Z. Letter S sounding Z. In words like always. Always. Are we together? So now, my dear children of primary 3, you should know those words which have letter S but sounding S, and those words still with letter S but sounding Z. Are we together? That is good. So my activity, my dear children of primary 3, you should write for me words. Are you getting? Words. 10 of them which have letter S but sounding S. Then still some words, also like 10 of them, you're going to see the instructions on your hard copy. Yes? Words still with letter S but which sound Z. Are we together, children? Thank you very much for listening to me. See you in the coming lesson.